Hey everyone, it's Justin with another segment of Charlie's How To for Homeowners. Today, I've been having a couple of issues with my toilet, and I'm pretty sure the handle is the culprit. I will make my phone call out to John Stevenson's Plumbing, and they'll send their professional out to help. Hopefully, with this, me and you both will get a couple of tips and tricks so we'll be able to do it next time. Let's get started. Nice to meet you, Devin. So I'm having a couple of issues with my toilet, and I'm pretty sure that the main issue is just the handle, and I have no idea how to swap that out. Could you help me?
Yeah, so the first thing that people always run into is you're used to the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey when it comes to nuts and bolts with the handle. It's actually called a lever, by the way.
Oh, perfect.
Fun little fact. It's the opposite, so it's reverse threaded.
Got you. That's probably why I've been having a couple of issues.
Yeah, so that's the first thing that people always encounter. And then the next thing is that there's actually different types of handles.
There is. What are those?
So it's either going to be a left or right, and it's either going to be in the front of the tank or on the side. So those are going to be the fours, the two sides and the two fronts.
Got you. And then once I do manage to get it off, what's the next step to getting a replacement?
They do make universal handles. They don't always work. You could try it, but your best bet is just to take off the original handle, take it to your nearest hardware store, and then a professional there should be able to help you out.
Sweet, man. Is there any specific tools I'll need, or?
Maybe just a pair of channel locks. You don't need anything special. A rag and maybe like a flathead screwdriver or something.
Cool, man. Well, would you like to get started on mine?
Yeah. Let's check it out. I'll show you how to do it.
Let's do it.
Cool.
First, remove the lid. Find a safe place to put it. Here is your toilet handle. Locate the chain inside the tank. Once you've found the chain, remove it by squeezing the metal portion. Then begin to unthread the nut on the outside of the handle. Remember, it is reverse threaded. Once removed, slide it out and remove your toilet handle. The handle should slide out. Then open your new universal toilet lever. This specific universal lever is adjustable for angles and right or left. Insert your universal handle and insert your chrome finish, and then begin to thread your handle onto your toilet. Don't forget to reconnect your chain. Once the handle is on tight enough, test. Don't forget to put the lid back on.
Well, thank you, Devin, for coming out and helping me swap my toilet handle. I've learned so much from you, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to do it next time by myself.
Yep, told you it was pretty easy. It's just sometimes you gotta know those little tips and tricks, right?
Yep. And
Cool.
You coming out has definitely helped a lot.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, Devin. I hope you have a good rest of your day.
You too. Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
All right, everyone. That's all we have for you today on this segment of Charlie's How To for Homeowners. Big special thank you to John Stevenson's Plumbing for sending Devin out to help you and me both with the swapping of our toilet handles. Please make sure to like and subscribe and leave your comments and concerns down below, as well as any tips or tricks you guys have picked up along the way. That's all we have for you. Make sure you have a good rest of your day.
Oh, that's like the part that you do like outside, right?
Yeah.
I see.
Okay, sweet. 3. Sorry.
Right.
Yeah, I know. 3, 2, 1. Well, thank you, Devin, for coming out and helping me change. Oh my God. Make sure I look good. Always do. It's not an issue. Hey, everyone. Oh my gosh.